Welcome to Mother Nature, the calm, beauty, intoxication, naturalism. I was just driving outside of Oregon and I saw this trail off the highway and I just stopped. Just reshifted my direction, not worried about my destination because I needed to breathe deep, fresh air. I needed to meditate. I needed to feel earth when it's calm. Birds singing and chirping and animals living. Natural habitat. We don't have this no more. We don't have this. The world is full of digital technology, fast moving. Everything is now. I want it now. Which means it comes in the form of being processed. Food. Everything. You can get it right now. Don't worry about it. You don't have to spend time cooking food, making a nice home meal. Just go in the drive-thru. Get a genetically engineered hamburger. It's right at your disposal. Yep, we live in a sad, sad world today. People are addicted to worldly possessions, money, fame, clothes, makeup, cars. Man, it's pretty sad. And with sacrifice of spirituality, mentalism, freedom, stimulation from rising with the sun and being naturally energized, moving. Our bodies was created to move, swimming, biking, running, whatever you have to do, but moving to create more energy, natural energy, not energy from stimulants like soda, sugar, caffeine. Yep, everyone's addicted to something. I need a caffeine fix, which is borrowing energy from the future. And then when that energy is tapped out, you need more energy. So you drink more caffeine, the process continues. We don't need it, people. How about drinking purity? Water with lemon. How about having a grapefruit squeezed into your water? Alkaline water. Decaf green tea. Yeah. How about that? How about eating fresh whole foods from Mother Nature? Plants, fruits, whole grains. Huh? How about it? Sea vegetables. Yeah? No. Nope. People want dead things because it's fast. They don't want nothing living because it takes time to prepare. It's a misnomer. It's a false reality. The air is fresh. The air is deep and fresh. I need this in my life. I need the peace, the tranquility. I need to hear birds chirping. I need to see rodents scavenging for their food. I need that. Once I go out there, it's back to business. What does that mean? Well, for me, I don't fall into the trap. Like my mom always said, we're in the world, but we're not of the world. I'm just watching and analyzing, enjoying myself, running miles, swimming deep, eating fresh young coconuts. That's what I'm all about. I'm trying to prevent 7 out of the top 10 chronic and degenerative diseases from striking home. With heart disease being number one. Number one killer in America is heart disease. What about cancers and diabetes and strokes, hypertension? These are all food-based diseases that are very preventable. Cancers. You live a pure, healthy lifestyle, and you will have better chances of avoiding those chronic diseases. Exercise on most days of the week, 4 to 5 days. Eat lots of fruits and veggies, 5 to 6 servings a day. Pray, meditate. It's all mental. You have to change within before you can change the outside. Read daily. Exercise the mind. We need change. If we're not changing, we're not growing. And be kind to others and help them in this quest, in this mission to be a healthier you. Kimatni Rawlins, founder of FitFathers.com. Remember, stay active, eat well, and energize your life. One love.